You can see that I am putting some slices of lemon right here into my muffin tin, and look at that, they fit perfectly right in the bottom there. Now I have some quartered up cucumbers, and I'm gonna put just a few right there on top of this lemon. So far we have a little bit of citrus from the lemon, and then we have this nice refreshing cucumber that we're placing right on top. Ooh, this looks colorful, crispy. It looks so good for the heat and the summertime. Okay, easy peasy. Let's just throw these on there. There we go. Now here I have a little bit of fresh mint, and oh my goodness, does this smell so good. You can see that I'm just picking these leaves off. I'm just leaving them nice and big and super simple, super easy, just picking them right off and putting them right on top here of our cucumbers. Fresh mint in the summer is just amazing. And this is just regular mint that I got from the grocery store. If you grow mint at home, I'm not sure what kind you have, but I know there are several different kinds of mint, and I'm sure any kind would be super good in what we are creating right here today. Okay, let's get a couple more little leaves off here. Ooh, as I'm picking these leaves, the vibrant smell of the mint is just coming out, and it smells so refreshing. Let's do a couple more right here. Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm grabbing one whole lime that I cut in half, and I'm gonna just gently put a little squeeze of lime right here inside of all of these muffin tins, along with this lemon, along with the cucumber, and along with the mint. We're just putting a little squeeze of lime right here. Yeah. Grab yourself a little bit of water. I'm not sure, here I have a bottle of water because I don't really use tap water too often. And we're just gonna pour that right in here. So we're kind of covering up that lemon, we're covering up the cucumber, and the mint looks like it's sticking out just a little bit, and that is just a-okay, that is totally fine. Just putting some water in here to cover all of that lemon. And as long as everything is touching the water, then it doesn't necessarily need to be fully submerged, but it's not gonna hurt either. So I'm gonna put a little bit more in this one here. Okay, these look wonderful. I cannot wait to use these. And how simple is this? This is like so easy. All right, you guys, that is it. Now we're gonna stick these in the freezer. We're gonna let these freeze. We are going to have the best ice cubes to throw into your water for the summer, and I cannot wait to sip on this and give it a try. It's so refreshing. It's like better than a day at the spa. So let's stick these in the freezer, and we're gonna get them nice and cold. Our ice cubes are all done. I can't wait to give these a try. Okay, here we go. I have a little glass here. I'm just going to take one of these out. Look at how easy those come right out of the muffin tin. And you can see that mint. Ooh, you see the lemon in there. Let's just go ahead. Let's pop that right in. Here, how about I'm gonna do one more. Let's get that right in there. Look at how fresh this is gonna be. Ooh, I can't wait to see what it looks like once I pour water in it. Let's just pour some water in there. Look at those cubes. They are cute. They are colorful. Look at that. You can see the mint, soon the cucumber, all of those flavors. Don't forget we added a little bit of lime in there. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is good. Just even putting my face up to the glass, I can smell, I can smell the lemon and the mint. Oh, wow. What a great idea. I love this. I hope you guys do too. Let me know what you think. Cheers.